Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its inception, evolving from complex algorithms used in research labs to user-friendly applications that are now part of our daily lives. In recent years, we've witnessed a surge in AI technology, with tools like virtual assistants and smart home devices becoming commonplace. But what if you could take this a step further? Imagine being able to buy and program your own AI tailored specifically to your needs. This concept is not as far-fetched as it may seem. From open-source platforms to user-friendly programming interfaces, the barriers to entry are gradually lowering. This evolution opens up exciting possibilities for consumers who want to harness the power of AI for personal use. The future of AI is not just about automation, it's about personalization and empowerment. Join us as we uncover when consumers might be able to buy and program their own AI, and what that could mean for our everyday lives. Get ready to explore a future where AI is not just a tool, but a personal companion. Today, AI technology is more accessible than ever, with a variety of tools and applications that consumers can easily integrate into their lives. Popular AI platforms like ChatGPT have revolutionized the way we interact with machines, allowing for natural language conversations that can assist with everything from answering questions to generating creative content. Additionally, personal assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant have become household staples, helping users manage tasks, control smart home devices, and access information with just their voice. However, while these technologies are impressive, they do come with limitations, particularly when it comes to customization. Most consumer AI tools operate within predefined parameters, meaning users often have limited control over how these systems learn and adapt to their individual preferences. This lack of personalization can leave some users feeling that their AI experiences are somewhat generic and not fully tailored to their unique needs. Despite these limitations, there is a growing trend of AI integration in everyday devices. From smart refrigerators that suggest recipes based on available ingredients to fitness trackers that analyze health data, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily routines. As we continue to embrace these technologies, the potential for more personalized and customizable AI experiences is on the horizon. The current state of AI technology sets the stage for exciting advancements that could redefine how we interact with machines in the near future. As we look ahead, many AI experts and futurists are making intriguing predictions about when consumers might be able to buy and program their own AI systems. Insights from industry leaders suggest that we are on the brink of a significant shift in the market, with programmable AI becoming a reality within the next 5 to 10 years. This timeline is driven by rapid advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and user-friendly programming interfaces that are making AI more accessible to the average consumer. One of the key factors contributing to this evolution is the increasing demand for personalized technology. As consumers seek more tailored experiences, companies are investing heavily in developing AI that can adapt to individual preferences. This trend is evident in the growing capabilities of existing platforms, which are continuously being enhanced to offer more customization options. Major players in the AI landscape, such as OpenAI and Google, are at the forefront of this transformation. OpenAI's commitment to democratizing AI technology through initiatives like the OpenAI API is paving the way for developers and consumers alike to create their own applications. Similarly, Google is integrating AI into its suite of products, making it easier for users to leverage advanced capabilities in their everyday lives. As these advancements continue, the dream of owning and programming personal AI systems is becoming increasingly attainable, promising a future where technology is not just a tool, but a personalized companion that enhances our daily experiences. While the prospect of owning programmable AI is exciting, several barriers currently prevent consumers from fully embracing this technology. One of the most pressing issues is the ethical concerns surrounding AI ownership and programming. As AI systems become more sophisticated, questions arise about accountability, privacy, and the potential for misuse. Consumers may worry about the implications of having an AI that can learn and adapt, particularly regarding data security and the ethical use of information. These concerns can create hesitance among potential users who are unsure about the responsibilities that come with AI ownership. In addition to ethical dilemmas, there are significant technical challenges that need to be addressed. Creating user-friendly AI interfaces that allow consumers to easily program and customize their AI systems is no small feat. Many existing tools require a certain level of technical expertise, which can alienate those who lack programming skills. For widespread adoption, developers must focus on simplifying these interfaces to make them accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Regulatory issues also play a crucial role in shaping consumer access to AI. As governments and organizations grapple with the implications of AI technology, regulations may emerge that could restrict how consumers can use and program their AI systems. These regulations could impact everything from data usage to the types of AI applications that are permissible, potentially stifling innovation and limiting consumer choice. Addressing these challenges will be essential for paving the way toward a future where programmable AI is a reality for all. The potential applications of personal AI are vast and varied, offering consumers innovative ways to enhance their daily lives. In the realm of personal productivity, AI could serve as a virtual assistant that manages schedules, prioritizes tasks, and even drafts emails based on user preferences. Imagine having an AI that learns your work habits and optimizes your workflow, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Home automation is another exciting area where personal AI could shine. Consumers could program their AI to control smart home devices, adjusting lighting, temperature, and security systems based on their routines. For instance, an AI could learn when you typically arrive home and automatically create a comfortable environment, or it could remind you to lock the doors at night. Entertainment is also ripe for personal AI applications. Consumers could develop AI that curates personalized playlists, recommends movies based on viewing history, or even generates unique content, such as stories or music tailored to individual tastes. Moreover, personal AI could significantly enhance learning and creativity. For students, an AI tutor could adapt to their learning style, providing customized resources and feedback. Artists and writers could use AI to brainstorm ideas, generate prompts, or even collaborate on projects, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Examples of potential AI projects include creating a personal recipe assistant that suggests meals based on dietary preferences, or developing a fitness coach that tailors workout plans to individual goals. The possibilities are limited only by imagination, making personal AI an exciting frontier for consumers. In summary, the journey toward consumer AI ownership is filled with exciting possibilities and significant challenges. We've explored the evolution of AI technology, highlighting how tools like ChatGPT and personal assistants are already enhancing our daily lives. However, we also discussed the barriers that currently prevent widespread adoption, including ethical concerns, technical challenges, and regulatory issues. Looking ahead, the future of personal AI holds immense potential. Experts predict that within the next few years, consumers will have the opportunity to buy and program their own AI systems, leading to personalized experiences that can transform productivity, home automation, and entertainment. The ability to customize AI to fit individual needs could revolutionize how we learn, create, and interact with technology. As we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in AI. Understanding the implications of these advancements will empower you to make informed decisions about how to integrate AI into your life. If you found this discussion insightful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and technology. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also be interested in the future of personal AI. Together, we can explore the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in this transformative field. Thank you for joining us on this journey.